Welcome back to the news. Today we're going to talk about AWS IAM. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management, and it's a really important security service which allows you to strictly control who has access to what inside your AWS accounts. It lets you control who is signed into your AWS accounts and then what they have permission to use. When you create an AWS account, you are basically a god. You're given access to everything in your account. But if you work with multiple people, it's not a good idea from a security perspective to give everyone access to everything. So you should use IAM to restrict who can access what. An example is that maybe you're storing some accounting files in Amazon S3. You probably only want your company finance staff to be able to access them. Also, if you have some servers in EC2, you probably only want your tech staff to have access to those. So you can use IAM to define who has access to what. And you can even do it in groups. You can create a group called tech staff, add only your tech staff to that group, and assign that group permission to manage your servers. But it's not just people that IAM can grant permissions to. You can also use IAM to define which of your servers or applications have access to which AWS services. This might sound a bit odd, but say you have a development server and a production server. IAM allows you to create something called a role. And this role may say, allow access to the development database. And then you can assign that role to your development server. If the development server ever tries to access your production database, it won't work because the role doesn't have permission. But it will work with your development database, which is intended. There's so much more to learn about IAM, and if you'd like to do that, I have a link for you in the description. Check it out, and thanks for watching.